Dear student of Standard 6, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today I will discuss chapter 12, lecture 2. So this is the map of China. So today our lesson is about China, because we are discussing about the some countries of Asia, and China is the one of the important country of Asia. So the location of China is East Asia. Its official name is People's Republic of China and local name is Zhonghua. Capital Beijing. Population 137 crore 51 lakh 37,837. Area 95 lakh 98,089 square kilometer, and China is the third largest country in the world. Geographical location: it is situated between India and Russia. Language: 95% people of China speak in Mandarin language. Race: 95% are originated from Han Chinese, but there are 56 other races. Agro products: paddy, wheat, potato, beet, cotton, tea, tobacco, oilseed, sugarcane, etc. Industrial products of China: iron, steel, silk, paper, medicines, cement, etc. Main river: the Huanghe and Yangtze. China is highly rich in minerals too. Its soil gives away petroleum, iron ore, brass, aluminum, gold, coal, etc. valuable minerals. Its forests provide for more than 32,000 species of trees and about 1150 species of birds. China is divided into 22 administrative provinces and 5 autonomous regions. Literacy rate among this large population is about 86%, and Bangladesh has friendly relation with China. Besides, there is economic cooperation between the two countries in industries and commerce. This is the map of Japan. This is the map of Japan. So it is a country of islands in East Asia. It is consist of about 4,000 islands. The major islands are Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. It is surrounded by sea by 4 sides. The official name of Japan is Kingdom of Japan, and local name of Japan is Nippon or Nihon. Capital Tokyo. Location: it is situated at the furthest east of Asia. The people face the sunrise first here, so Japan is called the land of sunrise. Population 12 crore 65 lakh 34,000. Area 3 lakh 77,708 square kilometer. Language: 99% people speak in Japanese language. Literacy rate 100%. Religion: Shinto. Agri products: paddy, wheat, berry, beet, soybean, sugarcane, sweet potato, etc. Industrial products: textile, machine, tools, steel, electronics, electric appliances, heavy machinery, etc. Japan has compulsory education for the age range of 6 to 15, and Japanese relation with Bangladesh is friendly all along. It is the main partner in the development of roads and bridges, and our industrial development. We have commercial relation with this country. So, dear student, today up to this, goodbye.